Ever wondered what magic you could create in your garden in the chilly month of February? Yes, it may seem counterintuitive, but February in the UK is a prime time to start sowing certain seeds. The first step to sowing seeds in February is to pick the right ones. Some seeds are just made for this time of year. They're the hardy types, the ones that can withstand the colder temperatures. Broad beans, leeks, and onions are a few examples. These plants don't just survive in February's chill, they thrive in it. Next, you'll need to prepare your seed trays. Fill them with a good quality seed compost. Don't skimp on this step. The better the compost, the better the chance your seeds have of growing strong and healthy. Once your trays are filled, it's time to sow your seeds. This is where you need to pay attention to the specific needs of each type of seed. For example, broad beans need a deeper hole than leeks. Follow the instructions on your seed packet to the letter. After sowing, cover your seeds lightly with compost. Don't pack it down too hard. You want to give your seeds room to breathe and grow. Now it's time to water your seeds, but remember, they're just babies. They need a gentle touch. Use a fine rose on your watering can, or better yet, a spray bottle. Finally, you'll need to find a home for your seed trays. A sunny windowsill or a heated propagator is best. Make sure to turn your trays regularly so all the seeds get an equal amount of light. And there you have it, the step-by-step guide to sowing seeds in February. To recap, in February, you should be sowing hardy seeds like broad beans, leeks, and onions. Prepare your seed trays with quality compost, sow your seeds at the correct depth, cover them lightly with more compost, and water them gently. Then find a warm, sunny spot for your seed trays and turn them regularly. So don't let the cold weather deter you. Get out there and get sowing. Before you know it, you'll be reaping the rewards of your hard work with a garden full of healthy, productive plants. Who knows, you might even inspire your neighbors to start their own February garden. Happy gardening! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more incredible gardening tips. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and leave us a comment below sharing your own February gardening experiences. We'd love to hear from you. Your support allows us to create more valuable content for gardeners like you. Thank you, and happy gardening.